Hi guys, Brendan again from Brendan Tech Talk. Notes or taking notes has become such an essential part of our lives these days. We constantly need to scribble something or the other and take notes, take reminders, and a lot more things we need to do every day. But one of the most important things which we need to do a lot of times is to scan documents, scan pictures, scan your scribbles that you have done on a piece of paper. So all those things you need to do. There are many applications available for both Macintosh computers or or iPhones or iOS, and also for Android. But for Mac users, I think slowly but surely, Notes application is becoming one of the most important and one of the best applications purposes. And another beautiful part is this beautiful ecosystem which Apple has created for all its devices like iPhones, iPads, iMacs, and MacBook Pro, so that if you take a note in one, it is reflected in all other devices. If you make changes in another device, it gets reflected in the first one. So this ecosystem is one of the most beautiful. If you have multiple devices, I think iOS and Mac OS, they are one of the best operating systems and computers that I would suggest. That is, if you want to keep your documents and important things synced. Today, I shall be showing you how to scan documents on an iPhone using an iPhone on Notes application. At some stage later, if you want, you can leave it in the comments. I would actually be very happy to cover notes extensively as a tutorial. And before I get going on the tutorial itself, it's just a gentle reminder. If you are here with me for the first time and you like my video, please do not forget to click on the like button. Please do subscribe. Okay guys, now I'll be showing you the Notes application and also how to take a scan on the Notes application. So I'm going to open my Notes application, and at the moment I'm in a folder called BTT. So to make a new note, you have to press this icon on the bottom right. So now it's ready for doing whatever needs to be done, taking notes, writing notes, scribbling, taking photographs. But in this case, we have to since take a scan. So I will press on the camera icon, which is second from the right. So when we do that, you get three choices: choose photo or video, then take photo or video, and then scan documents. That is what we are interested in. So I'll tap on scan documents, and then I'll try to scan this particular thing. Automatically it gets scanned, and then you save it, and it gets saved. So in this case, we have some options which we can do. You can press on the middle icon in the lower row, which is the filters. So this is in color. You can make it grayscale, or if you are not happy with the contrast, you can tap on the black and white. In this case, this looks terrible. And then we can have another choice, which is photo, the way we took the photo. So that's how it is. Maybe in this case, colored version looks pretty good. So I will need to save this. So what I'll do is I'll click on the share button, which is on the top right corner. Not sure if you can see it. I'll just tap on the upper right corner, and then you get multiple choices with what you need to do. So what I'll do is I'll tap on save to files. I've got this folder in my iCloud drive, which is called BTT for obviously Brendan Tech Talk. So I'll tap on that and then tap on the save button, which is on top right. So once I do that, this gets saved, and I'll now take you to my computer, and you can see that it's available under BTT in the cloud. So if you double click on it, you will see that this is what we actually scan. Of course, here you can do a number of things with it. You can annotate it, or whatever you need to do, you can do it here. So this is how it is. You can take multiple scans of a document and then save it in iCloud or on your phone itself. So I think this should be a good thing to start doing if you haven't still started doing, and if you're a Mac user or iPhone user, you must try Notes. It's a beautiful application, very easy to use, and very, very convenient. Thank you very much. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to click on the like button, and have a good day. Take care of yourself. It's a difficult times with all the pandemic going on. Take good care of your family. Bye bye. Have a good weekend.